What's the deal with interactive notebooks? Let's talk about it. Many times I get a lot of students that enjoy the interactive notebooks as an adult, but they kind of say, Marcia, is this realistic that you're going to use these with students? I mean, maybe if you taught high school, 7th and 8th grade, but like I want to teach 2nd grade, I want to teach kindergarten, I want to teach 3rd grade. I don't see them doing all of this. I want to show you some images from an actual 2nd grader's interactive notebook. You will see that these pictures really represent a simpler interactive notebook than what we're currently making in this classroom. Remember, I know you're adults. I know that you can handle more than a 2nd grader. Notice that it still has the table of contents in the front. They're still numbered, and there's even a small amount of cutting and pasting happening as well. Now let me tell you some of the comments I've heard when I've shown these images to people in past classes. Sometimes they say things like, that's not anything like I've ever been exposed to in 2nd grade. Or, I'm in a 2nd grade classroom right now. There's no way that that's a normal 2nd grader. Okay, I promise you it is a 2nd grader. I will tell you that interactive notebooks are not easy. I'll be honest. When I put together your packets for the interactive notebook, there is a lot of thought that goes into all the different colors, shrinking images, making them bigger, different foldables that we've sort of made up along the way. So interactive notebooks are definitely not for teachers that aren't looking for a bit of a challenge. However, how cool is it that if you are motivated, you can definitely make this work. You're going to have to be on your A game, not flying by the seat of your pants. I will tell you that the teacher that I got this notebook from their classroom has been teaching for many years. That's not to say you can't do it in your first year. It's just to say that you're going to need to put the time in, right? Interactive notebooks are totally doable in your classroom, even with younger kids. Keep an open mind to that as you go through the course because the kids absolutely love them, I promise you. But it does come with some work to put in, right? And heads up, teaching, not really an easy career. So if you're hoping for something you can sort of just skate by with, teaching is maybe not the career for you. Teaching requires a lot of work. And especially if you want to be a memorable teacher, those are the teachers that go above and beyond. Interactive notebooks is something that you might be interested in trying in your future classroom, and that's okay if you're not as well. But this will at least help you with those thoughts of what's the deal with interactive notebooks.